happy sheep. Have you any wool? Yes sir, my basket's full. Soft and fluffy, white as snow, come and feel it warm and glow. One for my teacher, one for my friend, and one for the baby, soft to the end. One for the farmer who works all day to keep the sheep so bright and gay. Baa, 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 happy sheep, dance and spin, woolly coat and a cheeky grin. Bingo! Clap your hands and shout, hooray! Hooray! Let's sing and jump the sheepy way. Come on! Baa, baa, giggly sheep, off to play. Skips through meadows every day. Come on, chick, says the sheep, let's race! Down the hill with smiling face, they jump in puddles, splash and run, playing tag under the sun. The cows go moo, the ducks say quack. Wait for us as the sheep come back. Baa, 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 happy sheep, dance and spin, woolly coat and a cheeky grin. Bingo! Clap your hands and shout, hooray! Hooray! Let's sing and jump the sheepy way. Bingo! One bright morning, sheep looked around. Oh dear! My wool's not to be found. It flew away in the breezy air, off to the forest somewhere. She met a bunny hopping by.
Have you seen my wool go fly?
Bunny said, let's look together through the woods in sunny weather.
They met a bird who chirped.
Tweet, tweet! I saw your wool on Daisy Street.
So off they went,
Hop, skip, leap! What a brave and happy sheep! They found the wool stuck in a tree. Wiggled it down so carefully. The bird helped pull, the bunny cheered. Hooray! They shouted loud and clear. Now sheep was glad her wool came back. She danced and sang upon the track. She shared her wool with all her friends. Kindness grows and never ends. Baa baa, happy sheep, dance and spin, sharing love with every grin. Laugh and sing, jump all day. Come